Getting you all the details and the big story that we are tracking to tell our viewers who have just joined us that this has got to do with the case that is dated back to the year 2008 when blast took place in Malegaon, killing 6 people in a Muslim majority area. Hundreds were injured in this case. 17 years after the blast that took place in Malegaon, today the court has said, or rather acquitted the other 7 accused, including former BJP MP Sadhvi Pragya Thakur. The NIA court delivering the verdict in the Malegaon bomb blast case and acquitting all the 7 accused in this case. 17 years after the blast that took place, a special NIA court categorically stated that there was a strong narrative, lack of evidence against the accused, and UAPA cannot be invoked against them. Accused, including BJP leader and former MP Pragya Thakur, Lieutenant Colonel Prasad Purohit, Major, also Ramesh Upadhyay, Ajay Rahirkar, Sudhakar Dwivedi, Sudhakar Chaturvedi and Sameer Kulkarni have been given a clean sheet by the special NIA court today. The big question is, at the end of the day, there were 6 people who succumbed to their injuries in the horrific blast that took place. Who carried out the blast? The ATS was in fact carrying out the investigations for years together, raising questions on the functioning of the body and the manner in which these investigations were carried out. The court today observed that there was no proof that Colonel Purohit brought RDX and assembled a bomb. The court also observed that there was no concrete evidence that the vehicle used in the blast, it was a motorbike, belonged to Pragya Singh Thakur. In fact, family members, in fact, of those who lost their lives is that they will have legal options open before them, though as we know and as we expect, the state of Maharashtra isn't challenging this verdict. A series of... Let's take a listen.
ATS की चार्जशीट, सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट और NIA की सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट, तो प्रोसिक्यूशन ने कोई भी स्ट्रांग एविडेंस में दे नहीं पाई। ऐसे आज कोर्ट ने आज फैसला सुनाया है। कोर्ट ने यह सुनाया है कि डेफिनेटली प्रोसिक्यूशन जो ब्लास्ट है वो प्रूव कर पाई, जो डेथ हुई है वो प्रूव कर पाई, लेकिन जो 101 इंजर्ड बोले थे उतने नहीं, लेकिन 95 इंजर्ड हुए ये प्रूव कर पाई। और जो सेकंड इंसिडेंट ब्लास्ट के बाद हुआ था कि 15,000 का मॉब जमा हुआ था और बाद में जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था वो भी प्रोसिक्यूशन प्रूव कर पाई, यह कोर्ट ने कहा है। लेकिन कोर्ट ने यह कहते हुए ये भी कहा है कि ये जो 7 एक्यूज कोर्ट के सामने थे, इनके खिलाफ कोई भी स्ट्रांग एविडेंस जो चेन ऑफ सर्कमस्टेंस है वो प्रोड्यूस करने में प्रूव नहीं कर पाई।
इस पूरे मुकदमे में किसी भी प्रकार के पुख्ता सबूत माननीय न्यायालय के सामने ना ही NIA ना ही ATS साबित कर पाई या प्रोड्यूस कर पाई। इसके अभाव में माननीय न्यायालय ने सब आरोपियों को MCOCA से तो दोष मुक्त हो ही चुके थे, लेकिन UAPA से और बाकी जो सेक्शंस लगाए हुए थे, IPC होगा, आर्म्स एक्ट होगा, एक्सप्लोसिव एक्ट होगा, उस सब से बाइज्जत बरी कर दिया गया है।
जो मोबाइल या गाड़ी है जिनकी मालिकाना जिसकी मालिक है, ऐसा कोई भी प्रूफ प्रोसिक्यूशन ने नहीं लगा पाया कि किन से रिलेटेड था। बोलिए एनसीपी कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, उन्हें सिर्फ अपना पॉलिटिकल गेन करना था, उस हिसाब से इन्होंने आरोप लगाया था। बट आगे पुरावा सब 17 साल हो चुके हैं, कोर्ट में सभी पुरावे आ चुके हैं, 325 के करीब विटनेस हो चुके हैं और सब होने के बाद अब क्लियर हो चुका है कि इनके आगे इसमें कोई विटनेस नहीं है, एविडेंस नहीं है, अदर देन ये पॉलिटिकल दूसरा कोई चीज नहीं है। 17 साल लगे। जीतना तो हम जब थे तो तब तो जूनियर बोल के आए थे, आज हो गए 15-17 साल, हमको भी हो गए, अच्छा लगता है, बड़ी लंबी लड़ाई चली।
And after the verdict, the family of the victims have said that they will move high court against the verdict of the NIA court.
आज का जो हाई कोर्ट ने जो फैसला दिया है वो हमारे हक में नहीं है। हम उसको नहीं मानते हुए आगे हमारे फैसले के लिए और इंसाफ के लिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट पहुंचेंगे। हमको कुछ भी हो, हमारे साथ जो इंसाफ हुआ है, हमको इंसाफ चाहिए, इसके लिए हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट आगे पहुंचेंगे, उसकी अपील करेंगे कि हमको इंसाफ चाहिए। ये कोर्ट का फैसले में गलतियां है कि ये फैसला जो है गलत है। जो सारे प्रूफ दिए गए हैं उसके प्रूफ को हटाते हुए जो तुमने फैसला किया, इस फैसले पे इंसाफ नहीं होता है, इसलिए हम आगे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इसके लिए दरवाजा खटखटाएंगे और हमको इंसाफ चाहिए।
And what was your first reaction when you heard the judgment?
It is very sad that court has acquitted accused on the count of benefit of doubt. Now it is not a clear acquittal. The bomb blast has been established, though accused number 10 had disputed that. but court has said that bomb blast has been happened, and court has also said that the compensation may be given to the 2 lakhs to the deceased and 50,000 to the victims. Though
The compensation doesn't cover up for the entire tragedy that happened.
but something that it has happened that the bomb blast was happened at Malegaon 29 September 2008, because the accused number 10 has disputed that. Throughout he said the bomb blast did not happen, but court had said bomb blast happened, was because of inability of the agency, the benefit of doubt given to the accused.
True. So are you going to challenge? Are the victim going to challenge?
Definitely we will see and we will challenge that, because we have independent right now.
आतंकवाद असतो.
पण या सगळ्यांच्यात एक गोष्ट स्पष्ट झाली की कोर्टामध्ये एक महत्वाची गोष्ट समोर आली की घडलेली घटना खरी आहे. मृतांना 2 लाख, जखमींना 50,000 रुपये सरकारने द्यावे, पण हे तेच आरोपी नाहीये. मग खरे आरोपी कोण?
आता ते अजून जी पुढे चौकशी होईल त्याच्यामध्ये ते सर्व पुढे येईल. ते
सरकारला बदनाम करण्याचं काम होतंय का? ज्या पद्धतीने काय सांगाल?
आज जो सेशन कोर्ट का फैसला आया है उसमें मैं एक ही कहना चाहता हूँ, धर्म और आतंकवाद का कोई संबंध नहीं है. आतंकवाद ये आतंकवाद है.
परंतु आतंकवाद कधी देवेंद्र फडणवीस
चलिए
Well, this is in fact a common refrain. I'm going to go back to Devesh Singh for more details on that story. Devesh, at least as far as the victims' families are concerned, they have made it clear that this is going to be challenged in court. Though, of course, the state, the government has indicated that they welcome this verdict, and massive politics that is being renewed here once again on the use of the phrase saffron terror. The Congress says we never used this term. Of course, the BJP pointing fingers at the Congress party at this point in time now, isn't it?
Well, major politics has erupted over the verdict of the special NIA court in Mumbai in the Malegaon 2008 blast case. All the 7 accused, including Lieutenant Colonel Purohit, Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur, 5 others, have been acquitted. There was no evidence that Lieutenant Colonel Purohit brought RDX from Kashmir. There was no evidence that Lieutenant Colonel Purohit made the bomb. There was no evidence that the bike used to plant the ID at Bhikkhu Chowk in Malegaon, where the blast happened on 29 September 2008, belonged to Pragya Singh Thakur. The chassis number had been wiped off. It was never restored. These are the court observations. Also, the court observed that material witnesses did not side with the prosecution. The prosecution sanction in the case was taken without application of mind. So these are some of the important points that have come to light in the verdict announced by NIA judge A.K. Lahoti. Now, when the blast happened and the investigation started, that time it was the UPA government and the Congress NCP alliance was in Maharashtra. That time, the anti-terrorism squad charged several people with carrying out terror activities. They named an organization called Abhinav Bharat, and also there was some leaders, some Congress leaders who coined a term that this was saffron terror. Now, leaders who are from Shiv Sena or BJP, now they are saying that this term, which was targeted, that the saffron was targeted, there was a term which was then said by the Congress leaders that this was an act of saffron terror, the organization belonged to Hindus, and also the accused were from a particular religion. But now, leaders are saying that terrorism has no religion,